Good morning to the respected master of ceremony, the political secretary of plantation, industry and commodity, Yang Berbahagia Datuk Philip Lasimbang, the excellent principal Madam Miriam Pikwa, the chairman of the board of directors, Mr. Donald Malingang, the representative for the parents, teachers association, Madam Jennifer Yuan, all the senior assistants, PTA members, members of the board of directors, teachers, parents, and all my fellow friends. As the class monitor of 5 Amanah 2011, I speak on behalf of all my fellow classmates in this simple speech that I'm about to present to all of you. Dear teachers, a wonderful year has passed and soon 2011 will come to an end. As brothers and sisters in our family of 5 Amanah, we have experienced many heartaches as well as laughters together. We have felt the saltiness in our tears, the bitterness of failure, the pain of laughing too much, and the sweetness of success. Sure, most of us have been friends for ages, or some might say 19 to live out, they said. But this year has certainly united all of us in dreams and in vision. As Miss Teresa, our English teacher, said, we sleep on different pillows, but we dream the same dream. They say that the school is not a school without its teachers. So I would like to present a few memorable quotes from all of our teachers in this year. Our beloved BM teacher once told us to kuatkan hati, SPM tak lama lagi, lawan perasaan hati. And our English teacher has once said to us, class, I am too lazy to call all of you. Please email your work by this weekend. And our maths teacher, who is always very joyful, will always come to the class, boys and girls, good morning, good morning, good morning. And Selma, our advanced teacher, will greet us all with hello. If the question asks for roots, just remember, use SOR and POR. In physics, our beloved teacher Jennifer would sometimes say, pure, 2 kali 10, 20 kali pure. Teruk, tidak pernah guna itu juga. I continue with our biology teacher who would always say, cuba common sense itu langsir, mesti ada sense of automatic. In chemistry, our teacher will always say, to hafal the insoluble and soluble salts, remember Minakam, Angel Colin, Peter Colin, and don't forget this Saturday extra class from 7:30 to 12. Thank you. And our sejarah teacher, Cikgu Fong, who I'm not sure is with us today or not, she once said to us, and this has a huge impact on us, she once said that dalam 8 tahun saya mengajar kelas amanah di SM Selmacro, inilah kelas amanah paling teruk. Well, I'm proud to say that we have all improved our sejarah quite well. In moral, Cikgu Flavia will always say, cuba bagi saya nilai definisi nilai kerajinan. Kalau tidak dapat, senang saja hukuman dia. Saling balik 2000 kali. And our EST teacher will always say, for some reason, every time she comes into the class, she will always say, okay, separate the tables like for EST test number 1, EST test number 2, EST test number 3. And sometimes when we don't do the work, she will always say, you just couldn't be bothered. So, dear friends of all the Form 5 here, this year has really been a roller coaster ride for all of us. However, the greatest thing that we have learned this year is acceptance. We learn to accept one another as friends despite any issues among us, and we learn to accept love and to love. We learn to love our friends, our teachers, and all the people in this school. And we also learn to accept realities of life, such as failing your subjects, but in the end you succeed due to your hard work and perseverance. And we also learn to accept ourselves as we are. Because not all of us can get straight A's, not all of us can be that active in sports, but we accept ourselves as who and how we are, and that's the best we can do, and that's how we really follow. So before I step away from this mic, once again on behalf of my Five Kamana family, I would like to thank our beloved teachers for everything that we have learned and for everything that you have given us, especially to our class teacher Selma and also Madam Malika. Once again, I say to my fellow friends, we are who we are, we have ourselves, we have our success, we have our failures, but we will always have unlimited imagination. Thank you.